What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So we will see if we're gonna manage today to take any trade. I'm not sure if we will, but who knows. This analysis is gonna be on the 15 minutes. The reason why, because we had a very crazy push, yeah. The way how we're seeing here, yeah, the price action. Let me just show you. Uh, let's start with this one, yeah. The price action took this low, then they took all those lows, and yesterday I was still expecting the price action to come to grab those lows. They did, but they consolidating overnight, yeah, and that's what they did. You see here, they didn't took this high, they literally went down and took this low, yeah. So right now obviously we're gonna look forward to take those highs, or maybe even those, and maybe even those, but for now we're just gonna keep it realistically. So everything right now, if you see in here, everything is matching for the perfect sells, yeah. We can see here like kind of a downtrend. The price action makes lower highs and lower lows, so everything is perfect for the sells, yeah. In this particular case we do gonna get like the buys. That's what I'm expecting. The reason why is a couple of reasons, yeah. Let me just grab this arrow, yeah. So basically here we do have the supply and demand traders who will gonna sell it right here, yeah. Plus we do have here all the way down, we do have here ICT traders, we do have here ICT traders, we do have here ICT traders. We basically have ICT traders everywhere, yeah. Everybody will gonna look for a sell. At the same time, here we do have like the 800 1.8 a key zone, yeah. So obviously people will think like if we broke, then we should come here to retest and move to the downside. That's gonna be the people's plan, yeah. Plus we do have here the fib extension also. They might gonna take like, you see the break and retest of this low, and that's gonna be 78.6 or whatever extension they take in it. And then we do have here also the EMA traders that they're gonna be here above. So the price action, definitely he needs to pull back basically, yeah, to provide the traders opportunity to take sales on all of those, because here we do gonna have the supply and demand traders, and plus, you know, like how everybody trades, aggressive selling, and with the imbalance, and we're taking this supply. So on this particular case, the people were gonna take the ICT and the supply and demand traders, yeah. And plus the break and retest key zones, like here is tons of cells, the way how I'm seeing, and that's perfectly fine with people, yeah. That's perfectly fine. But the thing is, because all the time when I was trying before to take cells, it used to be a loss all the time. I don't know why. It's just almost every single trade it used to be a L. Yeah. So that's why I'm thinking right now, if the price action we're gonna get to this place, yeah, where people were gonna start taking sales, the price action might gonna retrace a little bit to give them some profits, but then they will gonna take them off. We'll get to the second point, the EMA traders. We're gonna come here, yeah, to the EMAs. We're gonna give a pullback, yeah, so people can feel like a little bit of profit. Then they're gonna take them off. Then it's gonna be ICT traders. Then also they're gonna give them some profits, and then they will take them off. Again, we're gonna get here again ICT and supply and demand traders also will give a pullback, yeah, to give them some profits to show that the strategies works, yeah. And then at one point it's just gonna take everybody off, and everybody, like, they was kind of doing the correct thing, yeah. But at one point, after when you getting the lows, yeah, you will understand here was literally a uptrend, yeah, and it was moving up to take this high, and it was breaking the high, retesting, breaking the high, retesting, breaking the high, retested, but it could just literally take in just one single line just to move up. Yeah, this week I think it might gonna be slow, because assuming it's gonna be on Friday, let me see, on Friday I think it's gonna be non-farm payroll, I think. If inflation. Let me just see. Friday, November. Yeah, non-farm payroll is gonna be this week. So most likely this week is gonna be kind of like very slow week, but just stay tuned and we will see how this price action will gonna develop. But that's basically my thing. If the price action we're gonna get here, I'm gonna take bias to target this high, because here we do have like double top, so most likely it's gonna take both tops. So yeah, guys, that's kind of is my thing, and we will wait for the price to develop. And as usual, guys, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Yeah, guys, so we are officially in the trade right now. Yeah, it's been a news, and the price being pushed right into our zone, and right now it's kind of rejecting. I can show you the the open trade, and right now it's kind of rejecting. I'm not sure like if it's a good idea that we enter on the news, but man, it is what it is. Uh, the position basically it opened a little bit higher than supposed to be, somewhere around here, due to the fact that it's been a crazy momentum. And yeah, we're just gonna see if we can manage to grab those highs. If this momentum is gonna be pretty strong, then am gonna end up hit the profit target. So we'll see. I will keep you guys posted basically. Yeah, guys, as usually the price gets to my entry and then pulls back. I might gonna have to in the future wait for the pullback, and if it breaks this high, then I should take the trade. Because on my last videos, the way how you see all the time how many times I'm getting entered first, I do get the pullback, but that's what I'm expecting. The reason why, because I'm expecting that, so they give some profits to the EMA traders, to the support and resistance traders, to supply and demand, to ICT, to everybody. They gives a little bit of profit. They make them feel good. They make them think that the price action was gonna work. But at the end, they just reverse and breaks the highs and move on. So we will see, guys. Boys and girls. So basically, happened what actually I was expecting. So I was saying like we did pull back, and right now we're gonna break this structure. That's what it did. Right now it's kind of consolidating a little bit. I'm expecting right now to come here to pull back into this structure and then just to move up. I think that's gonna be the best case scenario. If not, then it's just gonna hit by stop loss, and it is what it is. There's nothing what we can do about it. But I will keep you posted with everything what happens. So stay tuned. Yeah, guys. Unfortunately, the price action just getting a bit bad because it kind of pushing down, and we are right now on the drawdown, and it's pushing very hard. We will see how this trade was gonna end up. Um, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna open one more trade if it's gonna hit my stop loss, and my thing is gonna look just like that. It's gonna look just like that if the price action will gonna hit my stop loss. But it's early to talk about it because this trade is still not ended. Who knows, the price action might gonna start here a little bit consolidating, break, retest, and move to the upside. It could happen like that, but we will see, guys. I don't really like to think too much about this stuff, because I'm always thinking this way. Did everything right? To me, yes. The answer is like I did everything correct. The only thing what I have to do is just to set and forget about this trade. Whatever results, whatever outcome is gonna be, that's gonna be. In the long run, I know for sure I'm profitable. So stay tuned. Yeah, guys, this is insane how this works. So basically, let me just explain what happened. Yeah, so basically the price push up how I was expecting. I was expecting this pullback. Then I was expecting to break this structure. It kind of took it, but then went all the way down. Yeah, and literally by one small move. Yeah, I'm gonna show you here. And the one small move, they might didn't took my stop loss. Literally like just one small push and I would be taking, and that would be like twice. And it did not happen, but at the same time I thought it's gonna take me off, so I did open my second position from here, and the price action came back right here, and at one point they both was in the, how is it called, in the profit. Right now I'm kind of $58 in profit, but the thing is, because one is $151 in profit, one is minus 83. So who knows, guys? I got feeling like this price action still gonna hit my stop loss, but man, this is a set and forget, and I really don't wanna just close and just leave it like how it is in the small profit. The reason why, because right now this price action kind of start consolidating, so I really hope that this price action eventually will gonna go up, but that's only what I want to be and what I want to wait for. But the price action easily could just went down and hit my first stop loss and then the second. How you can see here, I do have two positions open. One is stop loss right here and the second one is right here. And we will see how this price action will develop, because there's nothing else what I can do about it. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and see the results. Guys, I'm back. Basically yesterday I didn't have no time to record all of that because it was taking too long, and I had to leave this trade overnight basically. Yeah, at the end the price action, literally they took this high how I was expecting. I was right, but the thing with that is I did not hold it to the TP. The reason why I'm gonna explain. Basically how it was, we was floating here, yeah, and then I thought the price action might gonna have to come here to retest and then move back up. Yeah, that was my expectation. But when the price action, before I went to sleep, when I saw this move, yeah, this move, I thought it should be a good time to get out of the trade, because I was close to my TP, and plus if you remember, I did had like two position open, because it did not stop me here, but it did activate my second trade. So basically right here I was on two trades. Let me show you the picture. I closed right here because I wasn't very good profit, so I didn't risk to hold it for overnight and see maybe to come back to how is it called, to come back to stop me out. So that's what I did. I just closed the position at the price action 08219. 08219, most likely it was 08219. Yeah, it was on this candle. Yeah, something like here it was. So I decide just to close the position right here and moved on. Today am I gonna have another trade? We will see how everything was gonna go, and I will keep you tuned as usual. If you do like this content, guys, feel free to like, subscribe, comment if you do have any questions, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.